kickoff you've all been waiting for. Now, I know it's kicking off a little bit later than we planned, but I'll talk about that another time. But today, what I wanted to do was do the cook-off. So I am Dr. Eudene, and that over there is my mom, Celia Francis. Wave, everybody. She's the one who actually is the better cook. I would like to say she taught me to cook, but I didn't really pay that much attention, so she tried. Let's just put it that way. But today what we want to talk about is easy ways to incorporate vegetables. Now, everybody knows already how to cook your meat, right? So you know how you like that. But oftentimes what we have is a really challenging time incorporating vegetables. Now, I'm not trying to make you vegetarian. I'm not trying to make you vegan. I am not trying to make you anything. What I want to do is just offer you choices, because we know that it's beneficial to include vegetables and fruits into your eating plan, right? So even if you change nothing else, just start doing that. So you voted and we listened, and the vegetables you chose were the top 4 vegetables. We decided to include 4 of them. I'm going to do 3. My mother's going to do 3, and then you get to vote about which one you think will taste the best, and you also get to try it at home and let us know how it worked out for you. So what I chose cauliflower, sweet potatoes, and kale. And Mom, what did you choose?
I chose cauliflower and sweet potato and zucchini.
Ah, so we're getting another vegetable in there. We're getting zucchini in there. So, Mom, tell us what you're going to prepare for us, and then I'll go.
Okay, I'm going to prepare for you some zucchini boat. And as we go step by step, I'll show you how to prepare it. So, and I'll do mashed sweet potato, and I'll mix my cauliflower with the zucchini for the zucchini boat, plus other ingredients.
Wow. Okay, so that sounds great. What I'm going to do for you is a veggie taco. Everybody loves tacos. Who doesn't love a good taco, right? And so ultimately you're like, oh, how do you make vegetables into a taco? Well, I'm going to tell you, because I'm going to do sweet potato, cauliflower, and surprise ingredient, black beans, to give you the protein, additional protein into your taco. And then my secondary dish, what I'm going to do is a kale sweet potato fritter or cake. And so it kind of gives you some choices, right? So those are the things that I am going to do. So what you will do is that you kind of hear us going back and forth, preparing things, getting things ready. So while I do one dish, and then you know, my mom will do her dish, and then we'll see at the end how it plates. I think hers is going to look a lot prettier than mine. But doesn't matter, right? So let's talk about the steps. So tell me about the steps. Like which one are you going to start preparing first, and like what do we need to do?
I will prepare the zucchini first, and excuse me.
That's a true cook, y'all, because you know you don't have everything at your disposal. You got to go get it.
We have a whole zucchini, and we're going to put it, cut it in a way that both half can be upright. So here we have half of it, and I will be scooping out the zucchini with a spoon. And the zucchini contains water. And some people, what they do is add salt to the zucchini and then let it drain. But I'm not too fond of too much salt. So I use a cheesecloth and squeeze the excess water from the zucchini. So that's how I prepare my zucchini. And I chopped all the zucchini chopped. And this is it here. And I'm going to add cauliflower to it, plus carrots, plus my fresh herbs, onion and chive, garlic, bell pepper, and saute everything together, add everything together with a beaten egg and Parmesan cheese and cheddar cheese. Combine it all together, put it in the zucchini shells and bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Wow. Yeah, that sounds really